Is something bothering you all the time? Are you a student who is struggling with your studies? Are you someone who is struggling with your job or business? Are you someone who is worried about your relationship issues? You can be facing any of the problems that I mentioned just now, or it can be more than that. But the good news is there is a way out. You can get relief from any of the problems that you are facing currently. Okay? If you follow what I am going to tell you today. Okay? Therefore, please fasten your seatbelts, sit down and watch this video till the end today. Vallabham Gajananam Ekadantam. Hi there, this is Vinay from Astrologic, and I have been practicing Vedic science for almost 15 years now and have been guiding people who come to me for support whenever they are facing problems. Vedic science comprises of techniques and remedies from various methodologies like numerology, Vedic astrology, Mahavastu, law of attraction, and many more. Okay? I use a combination of many techniques and customize them to my clients so that they get maximum benefits. If you are watching this video till now, I would recommend that you watch this video till the end with open mind. If you are watching this video on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram or any other platform other than my webpage, please ensure that you visit my webpage astrologic.in so that you can get complete details. Now, before I explain everything in detail, let me set some context. We all know that our birth and death are not in our control, right? So one fine day we came to this planet with a physical form, and then there will be a day when we are going to say goodbye, and we don't know which is that day. However, the journey between birth to death, what we call as cradle to grave, can be controlled or altered to some extent. Remember, we say that destiny cannot be changed, however, it can be altered to some extent, and we can tilt it in our favor by taking certain actions. You must be wondering what are those actions, but before I go there, let's take some time and understand what is destiny. Okay? Destiny is dependent on three factors. Okay, the first one is the ambitions or the desires that we have. The second one is the choices that we make, and the third one is the actions that we take. Now let's understand each one of them. Okay, the first one is the ambitions or the desires or the dreams that we have in our life, or the goals that we set in our lives. Like for example, having a better job, a better bank balance, good partner, flourishing business, good children, right? So usually we set good ambitions, good desires, and usually we don't falter here, right? And then where is the problem? So the problem is either with the choices we make and or the actions that we take. So it can be both with the choices that we make and the actions that we take. Now we need to understand what are those factors which are influencing our choices and actions. Okay, there are usually 6 factors which are influencing the choices that we make and the actions that we take at a high level. Okay, the first one is your intellectual or mental ability. The second factor is your emotional or spiritual ability. The third factor is your ability to be practical in life. The fourth one is your thought process or your mindset. The fifth one is how strong your willpower is. And the last and the sixth one is your ability to take actions. Okay, so these are the 6 factors which primarily influence your ability to alter your destiny. Therefore, if you want to influence your destiny, then you have to balance or align these 6 factors in your life. Okay, so what are those 6 factors? Once again, your intellectual or mental ability, your emotional or spiritual ability, your ability to be practical in life, your thought process or your mindset, your willpower, how strong is your willpower, and lastly, your ability to take actions and not to procrastinate. Okay, so these are the 6 areas which are going to influence the destiny. Now, the question is, how do we optimize these 6 areas? I have the answer, which is tried and tested. The answer is, first step to balance these 6 areas is to go through a assessment to assess your strengths and weaknesses. Okay, an assessment to assess your strengths and weaknesses in these 6 areas. And how do we do that? The way we can do it accurately is by using an ancient numerology technique which is based on Losho grid, Chaldean numerology, and Kiro numerology. With a combination of these 3 methodologies, we can assess your strengths and weaknesses with lot of accuracy. Now let me give you a little bit background about Losho grid. So Losho grid is a numerology technique which was originated 4000 years back in China, and it is also called as the sacred square, and in Vedic numerology it is also called as the Lakshmi Yantra. Chaldean numerology is used for optimizing our name number. Once I learned this secret from my mentor, the first thing that I did was to experiment it on myself, my family members, my friends, and then also my clients for a very long time. And I got amazing results for myself and also for others. That's when I thought of automating this entire analysis using a software, because in numerology it is very important not to make mistakes while entering the data. So when you are doing it manually, you can make mistakes. So that's the reason now we use a software, and just by providing inputs on your name, mobile number, your date of birth, okay, we get 50 plus page accurate report with your complete numerology analysis. So this software and this report with your numerology analysis is tried and tested. More than 1000 people have already benefited from this analysis. And remember, this is the first step in the journey of transformation in anyone's life. Okay, so once you get your numerology analysis done and you take appropriate remedies which are given in the report, and which I would also provide in my free webinars on weekends, I have seen that 7 to 8 out of 10 people get complete relief from their current problems by just doing the numerology analysis and taking the corrective actions. There will be, however, 2 to 3 people, right, out of 10 who may not get the result because either they would have not implemented the remedy the way it was supposed to be done, or they are having karmic issues, which means they have issues with their current karmas which has to be rectified. The third thing could be that all the 5 elements where they are living are not balanced, so we may have to rectify their vastu. The last reason could be that we have to look at their current dasha and bhukti. We have to look at the current dasha lord, bhukti lord, and see what script the dasha lord or the bhukti lord is giving, and then we have to provide specific treatment for those ruling planets so that they can get results, right? And now the best part is, you will get this report for a price which is less than what you are going to spend if you go out with your family or friends for a dinner. And adding to that, whatever clarifications, doubts that you may have with this report, you need not worry, because I will be conducting free weekly webinars on weekends, using the Zoom platform, and I'll be clarifying all your doubts, that you may have with the report. Not only that, I would be also conducting free sessions on basics of numerology, basics of astrology, etc., which will, help you gain your knowledge and continue your journey of transformation. So, what are you waiting for? So, let's start the transformation journey together. Okay? So, I would love to see you on the other side, in my webinars. And don't forget to take the first step towards the transformation. To sum it up, the first step towards transformation is numerology assessment, because the first step for transformation is to analyze our strengths and weaknesses and take corrective actions. So once you do this, you will get relief from most of the issues that you are facing currently. You will start finding ways and means to achieve or manifest your desires and goals. So take it from me. Many other details are there in the website. You can please go through them. And once again, I would hope to see you on the other side in my Zoom classes. And let's start the transformation journey together. Don't miss out on this opportunity ever. And I wish you good luck. Thanks a lot for watching this video till the end. Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu.